Hi guys, I'm Ava, also known as MyLifeAsEva, YouTuber lifestyle DIY extraordinaire. If you know me from my videos, you may think my life looks like this. This is what my actual life looks like.
Ava Gutowski is a hoarder.
Do we need this?
No.
What started off as a normal hobby turned into my worst nightmare.
Yeah, we can fix this. We can.
I just hope she gets help soon.
I think I live a pretty minimal lifestyle.
I don't know how much longer I can do this.
It's literally. What is up, my schnitzels? I hope you guys are having an amazing day and an amazing week, and I hope everything is going absolutely swell. This past week, I've just been like deciding what this week's video is gonna be because, you know, I kind of got on a roll of uploading. I was like killing my uploads. I'm very behind on like life in general. Oh, by the way, guys, I get all these comments saying that like the smoke alarm batteries need to be replaced because you guys keep hearing like beeping. You guys keep hearing beeping in the background, but my smoke alarm doesn't take batteries. It's plugged into the electricity, so like I don't know what to do. It just makes those beeping noises. I'm sorry, I can't fix it. I tried. There's a room in my house. You know, I don't want to call it a hoarding room, but it's a hoarding room. I saw this video that Gabby posted like maybe like last year about her cleaning her hoarding room. And that video honestly made me feel pretty attacked, but then it also made me feel like, okay, maybe this is a problem that not just I have. I've had this hoarding room for like years. It's kind of just traveled everywhere that I live. There's like that one room. It stresses me out and then it gets worse and then I just want to forget about it and close the door and only run in when I need toothpaste. So I figured today on camera, I would clean my hoarding room. If you guys like this video and you want me to clean more stuff, because I definitely have more stuff, this is not my only issue. My garage is also terrible.
Oh no.
Okay, let's clean the hoarding room. Woo! Mai, when was the last time you saw the hoarding room?
I don't know, a couple months ago. We cleaned it before.
Oh yeah.
Like we've sat there for like a couple hours, looked through all your makeup, organized it.
Did it look good after?
No.
Okay, Maya, let's go see the hoarding room. Oh my god, the door's open. Wait. Don't come any closer, stop! When the cleaning people come over, I have this like no sign. So they don't go in here because it's literally like, it's too much.
Go in here and get some lip gloss.
This is so embarrassing.
Oh.
Oh my.
Is this where you get ready?
I used to.
How do you even find anything in here?
I don't. Yeah.
I don't know. So many wigs. You have like 10 of the same bags.
Excuse me. We should assess the problem.
Yeah. So how long have you had this problem?
I've had the hoarding room in this house since I moved in, so like a little over a year. And like it's gotten better sometimes, but it just immediately gets worse.
Would you say you have accepted that this is your life?
Yeah. It was intended to be like my makeup and like get ready room, and then it just ended up being like tampons, hair, extensions, then you got your wig heads, makeup, and then you got earrings, accessories, and scrunchies. This is a hanger for wigs, and then it's like, how are you supposed to organize all of this? Your ski gloves and then your desert gloves, like,
oh my god.
why do we buy these?
What is that?
It's a cute little bear from like Canada. What category does this fall under?
That goes under, should have never bought. What is this? You have a tanning glove.
This is a tanning glove, Maya.
Are you supposed to wash it?
I don't think so.
You're just supposed to reuse it or something? But it's...
Why would you wash this?
Because you're just putting, like, germs. Your legs probably had dirt on it from whatever you did that day.
No, I washed.
I don't know.
Oh my god, look at that.
What is
It's
that?
like old moisturizer.
Ew!
You know that moisturizer used to be white?
No.
How did it turn blue?
What is that? Is that a bug?
What?
Oh no, it's just makeup. Okay, we're good. Not a bug. I'm pretty sure this is expired. It's by September 12th.
I've been still using that.
Oh no.
Oh god.
What is this? Ew. Oh Jesus.
Do you know what this is? This is so gross. Every time I would need to wipe off lipstick or something, I was like, why would I use like another one when I could just reuse the same
Oh my
one?
gosh.
So
Wow.
this has been used for like once. Just throw it away.
Honestly, minimalist queen though. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Okay. Look at all the lips. Remember these? You can't even see the floor. We're keeping
I
this.
can make that with a piece of paper.
We're keeping.
This literally is my hoarder or whatever it's called.
No, I can get
where
rid
they're
of a
like-
lot. I can get rid of a lot of this.
I don't know.
I think I live a pretty minimal lifestyle. What if there's one time when I like go to Bali?
I
and,
understand.
I need some, like...
Okay, but is there one universal purse that you could use for like Bali?
Yeah. No.
Oh.
Look at this hat.
I don't think I've ever seen you wear that hat.
Shut up.
It's going to the Goodwill.
We can. No, it's not. This is a nice hat. We can fix this.
Oh my god.
We can.
It's literally.
We can fix it. I think our next move is setting a timer for like 1 hour and just like trying to get through as much of this as possible. This room's gonna be so clean when we're done, and it's gonna become like a beautiful room. Like my dream is to have like this to just be like a makeup and hair like spa. You know, like this will be like the spa room. It has such potential.
Yeah.
It just needs a little TLC. Let's get to work. Let's go.
Oh jeez. Okay. I can feel my asthma kicking out from the dust.
Oh, that's a hand warmer. That's still good.
Can you pick me up?
This one's cleaner. Look what this one's cleaner. Okay, we can throw her away. Throw her away.
Ew! Were you contemplating keeping this?
Yeah. No, I mean, no.
Ew.
This is a clean one. Like, it's okay. PR packages should not be this nice. How are you supposed to throw this away? It's so nice. What, I'm just supposed to throw this away?
Oh
What? It's a spider! Oh my god! It's like, it's so big! It's dry shampoo! I'll throw the whole rug away. When I see you guys, this room will be more clean. I promise.
How long has it been?
10 minutes.
Huh.
Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. We've been cleaning pretty diligently, listening to Casey Musgraves. This is our progress after 30 minutes. But the floor is looking pretty clean now. We're gonna clean for 10 more minutes and then we'll be right back. We've pretty much got rid of like all of the garbage, all of like the stuff that just definitely didn't belong in the room. So now basically what we have is like all of the stuff that we probably have to decide whether we're gonna donate it or keep it. I'm a little nervous because I'm gonna have to get rid of stuff that I really like probably. We need to keep it.
No,
We need to keep
it's
it.
not that cute.
It's not that cute. That means it's cute. This hat makes me feel like I'm married to like Orlando Bloom. Oh my god, remember these?
Yeah, they're like little moose.
These are
ones.
like a memento. These need to go in like the MyLifeAsEva Hall of Fame.
Okay, you can keep one pair of ears from your.
Oh my god, a fan made these. She like crocheted them. We have to keep them. Oh, a fan made these too. We'll keep the fan made one. I've had this since I was like in high school.
For what?
For like if you have like a little party and you want a little clutch.
No, it doesn't go with anything.
It's cute.
Listen,
Cool.
if you were going somewhere to an event, you're gonna pick this bag over all of these bags that you have up there.
True. It's
That look
true.
better.
True. A counterfeit Louis Vuitton bag.
Counterfeit.
We're keeping it.
For
We don't need her. Abel! Keep Abel's spirit alive. This wig's really nice, but like it's done.
ew.
Yeah.
That is not a wig.
Okay, fine.
Ew.
Fine!
Pretty sure I'm sitting on the spider. So.
I think you are. Final push, let's do this. Let's clean this room. Holy hell. What did we just do? This took 3 hours. Frick! Looks pretty good, but I'm not done.
No.
Look at this lovely bathroom that no one's ever even seen. Look at this. Oh! Okay. This is so nice. Now I don't have to be embarrassed when people come over and there's a no sign on the door. The amount of people that have come to my house and I get so nervous because like they'll be like, oh wow, like give me a tour of the house. And then I like start sweating like that Key and Peele meme where it's like, sometimes they just walk through the house and start opening doors.
And,
I'm like, yeah, you know, like it's just been a long week, you know, it's been a long week, like like every morning I wake up, I get out of bed and then I have to walk. Like this is the first room that I see with the no sign on it. So like now I get to keep the door open. We can walk around
You
the
can like
room.
do a whole dance routine in here. Oh. Oh, is it that time of day?
Oh god, this is gonna be the sunniest part. We're We're pulling up to Home Goods. Hopefully we can find some cool stuff that like changes the whole aesthetic of the room. Because right now it's looking a little hospital-y. I think it just needs a little life. It needs a little love.
It doesn't have a life.
If we add fairy lights fixes everything.
True.
Let's
Spend some money.
secure the bag.
We're not even. They're securing our bag.
If anything, let's go spend the bag. But not too many bags.
A few bags.
All right, Maya, we've got our list and we're sticking to it and not buying anything else outside of it, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god, this one's so cute. How much? $16.99. That's perfect.
Ew, what's that?
It's a rooster. Grandma would be very mad at you. A wind chime?
No. For what wind?
The wind in the room?
There's no wind in the room.
There will be when I'm like so happy dancing in there.
Not on the list.
It's so cute though.
Not on the list.
It's so cute though.
Not on the list.
Maya, once you hug this, it'll be on the list.
It's not on the list. Okay, moving on. Okay, get it. You don't need it. What you do need though, this right here.
That's just
Oh, those are cute.
yeah, they're cute. That could be cute to put like some books in it.
You do not need that.
Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Oh. One time in my entire life, I get to use the X-Acto knife. Oh, yes. Oh my god, it cuts so beautifully.
Keep the knife in your mouth.
I look like on the edge.
Oh my god.
What's gonna happen?
Stop. Don't even say that.
You're gonna burn it up.
A lot could happen.
Like what?
An exposed blade,
What?
and you're standing on a stool. Multiple things could happen.
Ow! I'm just kidding.
Stop.
Okay, it's the next morning. I'm freaking tired. I got like 3 hours of sleep last night because I was packing. My mom just got to my house and we're gonna surprise her because my mom's seen this room like the worst of the worst. She's helped me clean it a few times. It's always gotten messy, but it's never, ever gotten anywhere close to this level of clean before. There's always like been boxes on the floor left over. So we're gonna bring mom in and get her reaction. I think she's gonna love it. I don't know. Okay, let's bring mom in. Mom!
Coming.
Close your eyes. Close them. Close them. Okay, there.
Close.
Close them. Keep them closed.
They are closed.
And open.
Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow.
This is the first time you've seen it decorated in any fashion.
Look at it.
I can't believe it. Oh my god. Looks good. Nice.
Do you see how we put the wallpaper on the side?
Yeah, yeah. Gives them more character, you know,
Yeah.
detailed. And this would be a perfect, looks almost like a yoga room.
That's what we
That's
were
what we
saying.
wanted.
Are you serious? Like, you know
Zen
what I mean?
meditation.
But it looks like, no, the only thing that they would also add to this is some kind of water vibe.
Oh, like water sounds or something?
Like
a
something.
fountain? We should have
Yeah.
put a fountain there instead.
We
No,
probably could get one.
Feel.
Hey, you've never even been in this room before because you couldn't walk in it. You don't even know what to do.
yeah.
You don't even know what to do.
What happened to the red
Mom.
wig?
We don't need her.
Wait.
So the wallpaper in this room is by Shop Be Darling. And if you guys watched my home tour video, I like also showed a lot of wallpaper from them. They're awesome. Go check them out. They send me tons of wallpaper. My house is literally not complete without it. They even do custom wallpaper. I haven't been able to put this one up because this room was so messy. I've been sitting on this wallpaper for like ever. So yeah, go check them out. They have great wallpaper. And yeah, the link will be in the description. Not sponsored.
You just wanted to say that.
I just wanted to say
Yeah.
it. Time to take off the ceremonial nose. Woo! It's like 1 week later, the whole room's back. It's 5:43 p.m. We started cleaning at like 1:55 to be exact. These were the photos from when we started cleaning, and this is the final product after we decorated. This whole process has just taught me to really think about what I allow into my house, not only for my mental stability, because this drove me crazy for so long. I always knew I had to deal with it, but it was like in the back of my mind, which creates a lot of problems like mentally. The amount of stuff that I am luckily able to give away and donate is insane, but the amount of also trash that we accumulated just from this one room is literally ridiculous. If this is how much garbage and waste I produced from just one bedroom in my house in 6 months, the even scarier thought is imagine how much waste I have thrown out. Like if you were to imagine a pile of all of the things that you ever donated or got rid of, it would probably be really scary. Basically, there's always stuff that we're going to want to buy. There's always things that we think we're gonna need. I think if we all do our part to realize that our brains are just like wired from society and advertisements to always want to buy new stuff, and just realize that like there's literally always stuff in your house that can be reused in a different way. There's always things that can be repurposed. I'm going to try to minimize the amount of stuff that I bring into my house. I challenge you guys to as well, so that your house doesn't get freaking crazy like this, and also so that we just create less waste, because this was eye-opening. But now I have a clean studio room. I can like invite people over and not be scared for them to go into that room. I can take my nose sign off. The cleaning people can finally clean that room. If you guys want anything that I'm selling, I might be listing some of the stuff that I wanted to donate on Poshmark. If you guys don't know, I have a Poshmark. I donate all of the money that's made on Poshmark to saving the environment. So last month we donated $1,000 to saving the reefs in the Great Barrier Reef, and we planted corals. So yeah, if you guys want to contribute to that and find anything that you like, you guys can check out that in the link down below. Send me photos of your before and afters if you cleaned your room, or just send me your before and don't send me the after, you know? If you haven't gotten there yet, you're just still at the before stage. Also comment down below if your room has ever gotten this messy. And with that, that is it for this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for hanging with me and watching me clean my hoarding room. If you guys are cleaning, put this video on, clean along with me. If you guys are cleaning along with me, I'm like Maddie Smokes. You using Fabuloso, you using Windex. Let me know what you guys are cleaning with. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye. Mwah. Peace. Now we just have to do the rest of the house.